lost my temper. I said something foolish. Did I go and ruin this when it started to feel so real? Could feel it running, running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal, could see myself loving, loving for the rest of my days. No, I don't wanna be alone so late at night. So late at night. No, I don't wanna sleep 'cause then I'm dreaming. And you're not real, not mine to keep. No, I don't wanna sleep and I'm losing time. Losing my chance to make you mine. So late at night. Go back to December. Look back and remember. Those memories are better than
Ma.
gold. I let you down, I know. When it started to feel so real, could feel it running, running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal, could see myself loving, loving for the rest of my days. So late at night.
Hello, everybody! It's time for another stream. Today we'll be doing more godot development. You can tell by the thumbnail and the title. You know, I know you silly like that sometimes, but that's how it goes. So that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, we're gonna sit here vibing, and we're gonna get this started up. I realized even with all that time, I forgot to open godot preemptively. Excuse me, Visual Studio Code. Why the heck are you open? Go away. Let's see, where is godot? There it is. So, I hope everybody's doing okay. I just started the stream right now. The toaster's working again, which is great. I didn't completely fix the messages working or not, but it's kind of at this point where I'm, the number shouldn't go negative anymore. So, that at the very least is a positive increase. Gosh, I hit a low twice. Okay, there's that. I also realized I forgot to share it on the tutor, so let me just do a quick little tutor thing real quickly, because I always miss something. I really need to make like a pre-flight checklist for streaming. That would be a very smart thing for me to do. But alas, I am not that. I am just a silly little bean counter. So let's see. I don't know why. I think I might need to restart my stream partway through, because currently everything feels just a little laggy. So I don't know what that's about. But hey, we'll see when it happens. Let's see, so just posting the link. There we are. Beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna turn this back to their tab. I'm gonna reduce this quality to like patootie. Just as a backup, so to say. Let me pull up the TIB management software. There we are, beautiful. And then, can I just yank out this little application? Because if I could, that'd be straight up dandy. Okay, there's that. Oh yeah, I think we're good. I think we're vibing. So, yeah, where are we at? Everything feels a little chunky, which is gonna suck. So, might cut the stream short if that's the case, but hey, we'll just see how it goes and see what happens. So, huzzah! Yeah, anyways, I hope all of you are doing good. I see no point to dilly-dallying. Let's just kind of jump right into it. Behold the toast. Yes, the toast is alive. The toaster has been restored to its formal glory. So yeah, that's pretty epic. You wanna go say, Pupper? You wanna go say? I think the pupper wants to go outside, so give me 1 second to throw him out the window. Wah! The pupper has been window thrown. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And just as a little proof, I guess, for Tib is, where is it?
User, Bubshalov says, behold, toast.
Bubs, you gotta use the TTS command, remember? If you want, like, Tib to do, like, it, like, without me triggering it. Let's see. It's TD / I'm checking this controller of this. Your score there. Neovim. The best editor. Where's that stuck? There we go. But yeah, we got the Toast Man again. Yeah, anyway, so I'm confused. I gotta balance, but mic sounds good and stream looks decent. Gracias. We will see. I think I left the game in a state of disarray, so we'll have to kind of see what's going on there. I think we were working on the exploding lizards, but I think the exploding lizards had a bit of an issue. Yeah. So let's see what the hell this is. So my intent is pushing away the anywho, so I think what the intent for today was... you're pushing away the banner again, thank you. I should probably do that at some point. I like, desperately need to make, like, a pre-stream, like, flight list. I'm gonna write that down real quickly, because if the sticky note's bothering me enough, then I'll maybe eventually do it. So let's see. Make pre-stream script and what's the other thing? Checklist. Big underline to show it's important. There we go. Okay. So I now have the sticky note made. So I'm just going to awkwardly stick that to the top of the monitor where it's just slightly hanging over the screen, so it'll be extra annoying right there. Heck yeah. Alright, now where are we? So we're having an issue at line 38. I forget, does the godot LSP communicate with the thingy? Because if it does, that'd be awesome, but I don't think it does. I'm just going to move this to the side just a little bit. And then, let's see, is this even, like, readable on screen? What's about readable? Is that about readable? A little bit more. I think about there is about as large as I'm willing to deal with, personally. I think any larger, and I think I would want to rip my eyeballs out. Yeah, I think something like that. I think something like that's about where it's going to go. Okay, and then this was in the... Where was this? This was the Lizzo Rico. Rico. Rico.gd. There we are. Okay, so let's see, where are we at? So we were having a issue on line number 38. Explosion stripe visible equals false. Is that actually what it is? Okay, whoops, sticky note just fell. Huzzah, let's stick this up there. Let's see. Okay, so now that we are here, that TTSQ length is supposed to be just flat out 0, but alas, here we are. Does it? I think the TTSQ is going to increment every time it counts, so that's going to be broken. But hey, alas, here we are. Alright, where are we at? So let us slam right back into this. So let's see, where are we at? So we now need to go... so the explosion sprite here is where the issue is. So what is the issue? Explosion sprite visible. Explosion sprite is going to be... Explosion sprite is a function which is get child. If the child is the animated sprite 2D, return child. Okay. Did I spell visible wrong? Visible. No? I think that's just going to be incorrect now. Oh, not me to do that. Let's see. Invalid appropriate access key or scale on base type window. What? I think it's because you weren't set. I think I gotta play it from the start. I think I kind of soft lock myself into a hard start scenario. So that's gonna be fun. Also, yes, the TTS counter is just counting up, so that's awesome. That needs to be fixed. Alright, let's see. Explosion sprite invisible equals false. Why is that false? I don't know why. Ah, I can hear myself. That's awesome. Let me dust that away. There we go. Beautiful. But yeah, there's something right here that is causing me to be kind of stuck. So that's kind of wonderful. So it's like, what the heck is doing this? So where are we at? So the animated sprite does have a visible thing, doesn't it? It do, I think. Visibility, visible on. Yep. That is odd. Let's see. I don't want to add these sprites manually because they're already made, so I shouldn't need to do that either way. But then the big question is, like, what the heck do I do with myself? The sticky note fell again! Good news, it's a double thick sticky note, so I can just peel the old sticky note off and re-stick it, and now it should be good. Another sticky note I need to throw it actually right there. Nice, okay. So we're currently at this point where it is instantiating. It's got the animated sprite 2D, so it's returning the child. So I'm basically saying if it's a child, and I want like the explosion sprite dot oh, here, you know what? I think I know what I can do. I can go into here. I can say this is an animated what would that be? This really game object, I think? No. Sprite. What am I thinking of? Like, how would I say the type is like an animated sprite 2D? Animated sprite 2D. Expected end of statement after expression, but found that instead. Oh yeah, because I'm not declaring it there. Durr. See, where's the explosion sprite? Explosion sprite is right there. Okay. Callable cannot be assigned to a variable of type animated sprite 2D. Dot visible. I fail to see where this is an issue. Or how specifically this is an issue. Oh, I must have been tired, because the explosion sprite should literally just be is equal to dollar sign animated. Whoop. I guess I just drag it in. Animated sprite 2D. There we are. We can just get rid of you now, I think. Let's see, I think I just gotta do the on ready. Is on ready a function or is it a on ready? Cool. Alright, let's stop, restart. That should work now, I think. I don't know where I'm going from here. Unexpected indent at if block. Oh, that was a new Vim save attempt. Oh no, because you're supposed to be indented. There we are. Right, stop, restart. Let's see. Alright, please work. Please work. Oh, we got the Lizzies. What do we get? The Rico. I see a lot of spawning Rico. Oh. Okay. Now this function play in base pack scene. Okay. Well, I am going to hop away into frickin' Neovim now because that was good. So there's an issue on 89. Let's see. So let's go to 89 real quickly. So, we don't need to do any of this now. This whole spawning and loading thing. Yeah, I must have been tired. Let's see. Let's see. Explosion sprite. Oh, there. Whoa, there we are. Alright. We just gotta keep running laps for the debugger, so we're just crushing one bug at a time. There's nothing else we can do right now. I did something in a sleep-deprived state and it's bad. Let's see. Oh. Okay, we got another issue now. Where's that issue? Explosion scene 127. Okay. So let's just jump down to 127. This is the explosion sprite. Let's restart one more time. And let's see what we got. Alright, so we got a bat. We got a Rico. Whoop. Oh, what's the issue there? Explosion array. So I know what I was thinking here. Invalid access to property or key clone on base object type pack scene. Okay. I'm gonna try to do just a little bit of this. Let's see. Let's do this actually. Let's clear you out. Delete. Yes, I'm sure. What's wrong with? Oh, sorry. How do I make this GD script work? Because I have no blimmin' idea what I'm doing here. So what it's suggesting I do, which I don't necessarily know is right, but I think, so what it suggested I do is this. So that can go away. So that was what was suggested to me. But that is going to have an error in it in a few places, I'm pretty sure. That to me looks like the exact same thing. Yeah, no, it's not even close for it. Okay. I have %7, so make it quick. I would if I could. Have you considered charger? Because %charger may be a slightly better option. Let's see. Brilliant. Get this man on the phone with NASA. What's the meme like Harvard wants to know your location? Let's see. Do I maybe not need to clone it? Is it maybe just going to be one of those things if I create an array, I can just, like, like implicitly clone. Because I have no other idea what it might be. Nice. Let's see, waiting for the boys to spawn. Waiting for the gankers. Waiting for the ganklets. Whoop, me move. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh. Alright, let's see. So now it's having errors right here. Absolutely indubitably a genius. A great savant in the fundamentals of basic understanding. I know, right? Brain's like so big it like hurts. It's gonna explode. Make the microphone explode! Let's see. Invalid access property key pack scene on base type of array. So what is that communicating to me? Because I have no fucking idea. What is that trying to communicate to me? Because I'm not trying to be like weird. It's just legitimately like I just don't understand what the issue is. Because I'm seeing like, hey, the object at this point just instantiated, dummy. I should close this thing down. I don't need that thing running. Oh, also Adam. Now your head is mostly hair. Correct. Majority hair, actually. Also, hey Adam. Tib is working again, so feel free to use them again. Speaking of which, I actually should add like a little fucking banner saying like Tib is active. For A-C-T-I-V-E. There we are. Huzzah! Alright, so we got that. We got that one there. We have that one here. The list grows. I don't really have like 6 sticky notes just stacked right now. I think you messed up the command again. Let's see. So what's going on with this? So let's see. What's wrong with this? What's going on with you? There's something wrong with you and I'm being stupid about it. But I also don't know. Because the way that I see it is it's just like, oh, there's a Steam. So all I should do is be able to instantiate it. Or maybe do I want, instead of instantiate, I'm thinking of like add the child instead.
User Adam1 Creeper says, testing 3 to infinity.
Well, I don't know what you're hoping for, but hey, best of luck. Let's see. I don't think I want to instantiate. I think I want to add child. No, wait. I would probably want to explosion underscore scene dot instantiate. Because now it's an instantiated thing, and then here I would just want to add child. Add underscore child. Hey boy. Superstar PJ. Here we go. Okay, let's see what's going on now. Will this thing work somewhat well? It's a little bit teeny right now, but we'll work on a lot of that stuff later. Let's see. Okay, so we got a back. Oh, we got things. We got the Indies. Oh, what happened there? Carbon pack scene, I have just array. Okay. So that isn't working very well, so like what would that possibly be? I'm adding the...
Atom1 Creeper says, Volbite, when will you feed me? I've been here in the corner for months.
You are a toaster, you do not need to eat. You sustain off of electricity. There's nothing for you to eat, you are supposed to slurp the electricity. Stupid. You can eat the breadcrumbs that like fall under if you're that concerned about it, but you don't need to eat, you're stupid. So what the heck is happening here? What's wrong with this? I just realized I'm just adding... Oh no, I'm adding the child already. Yeah, that's not... Yeah, no, that's incorrect, actually. Like, I have to instantiate here. Instantiate. Because if I don't instantiate, it's just going to error out elsewhere. But that's literally how I have to do it. That's how I have to actually do it. If not, then I just leave the little mini particles alone and then do something else. Let's get the deer waggling. Right. Let's at least see this work. Come on. Come on, let's see this work. I don't need caps lock to be on, thank you. Oh, we got a spark. We got a rico spark. We got the rico spark. I was not paying attention. I saw like a pop-up message and I was just sitting there like, oh yeah, you know, like this is totally fine. What did I do here? Oh, I actually created an S. There we are. Reload one more time.
User, Atom1 Creeper says, I have 2 terabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of SSDs with 3 RTX 4080s. I am the pinnacle of intelligence and power. User, Atom1 Creeper
No, you
says,
shut up!
I have 2 terabytes of RAM and...
Yeah, go away. I am... Imagine if, like, the RTX whatever was actually where we peaked. I'd be a little sad. Ooh, it's a sneaky boy. Whoop. Okay, why is, like, it invisible to itself? Gotta go ice cream. That is completely reasonable. I hope you have fun with the ice cream. Alright, let's see. I don't know if to say that. Visible. Is Rico set to invisible by default? Visibility, visible on, okay. Slow and visible, slow and visible, slow and visible, slow and visible. There's like 4 instances of it, and all of them reference the explosion sprite. Is that because the sprite I'm referencing is... Oh, it's probably because the sprite I'm referencing is the wrong sprite. That's why I was doing all that dumb shit. Okay. Is equal to explosion underscore scene. Let's see, ENE /$ animated sprite 2D. I think that's how that would work because yeah, it'd be the explosion scene and then it would be this thing underneath it. I'm pretty sure. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh? Maybe that's an Angie voice. What's the issue here? Cannot use invalid operands object and object. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to do this. How about we'll just do this. We'll do some of... Alright, we'll actually not get rid of it. We'll just hide it for now. Whoops. We'll hide it for now because I want to make some progress, and this is something that I have no concept with, and I'm thinking there might be many other ways to do it. So we're just going to say explosion scene can just all go hidey hide. I can also simplify it a lot. I just, you know, I'm trying to keep it simple. I got a little bit ambitious there. So let's see, we can go there. Whoops, wrong key. There we are. We got an if for that. We got that commented out. Okay. Okay, I don't mind. You can go away. In fact, actually, you can go away. You can go away. I hear my pupper whining, so I'm just gonna kind of, whoops. So I'm gonna bang through some of this real quickly, and then we will Take a tiny little break to let him in because he's a little baby. I think that's it. Let us test and see if this works, and if it works, then I will let the pupper back in. Whoops. Give me the game back. There we go. Let's see. Bring me the children. Bring me the children. Bring me the children. Oh, we got a lizard. We got the lizard. We got another lizard. Oh, there's a Rico. Don't die. Yeah, okay. So Rico's still working now, at least. So that's epic. And I think Hunter should also spawn soon. Yep, there's some Hunter. Whoop. I didn't even notice that bat. Because everything is so small! Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to, real quickly, I want to take the music stems that I worked on before. So let's see how those are looking, because if they're still sounding good, then I think I'm just going to throw them in and try to work on the music stuff, because I think the music stuff will add, like, a lot of life to this. Ooh, I kind of want to add some wind sounds. Oh, do I want to add some wind sounds? Do I want to add some wind sounds? Oh, it's so tempting. Oh, I'm thinking just like a subtle white noise, just kind of going like. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it. That would be cool. I forget what all these layers are. Okay, did I label any of these? If I didn't, that's gonna suck. Okay. Silence is cool. $17 is muted, nice. 16 is muted, nice. Reverb. That sounds a lot worse than I remember. I may need to rework that a bit. That sounded pretty bad. Alright, let's see. I became ear blind. So, first thing I'll do, I suppose. Oh, the pupper! He needs to come in still. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the little baby. Come, there you go. There you go. Oh, he goes to lie down. He is so comfortable. He's a comfortable little baby man. He's my comfortable little baby man. Let's see. So, I guess I'll tweak this first, because this is sounding pretty rough. Let's see if I can open it from here. I might have saved it to something else, and I just don't recall. But that doesn't sound... That sounds worse than I remember. Okay, let's make sure this is low. Okay. I don't hate it. I think what I need to do here, actually, I need to create a better split between the high and low frequencies. And I think I maybe need to pitch the snare up a bit. Yeah. Okay, too high. Hmm. There we go. That sounds a lot better. All right, there we go. So now I want to add this kind of like a whoosh. Let's see. Rename. We'll rename this to say playing. And then we will insert one more new one, which will just insert around C3. Which I just want to be basically a noise. Just a huss. Let's see. A little hussy. Let's go for a pink noise. That's better. Okay, that's okay. Just for like a basic, like, you know, like, hey, this thing needs to be like a cute little sound thing. I think it works pretty okay. Let's see. I think then some randomness would work okay on it. Let's see. Just do shuffle again and see how that is. Ooh. Yeah. There we go. I like that as like a nice little background thing. A little rhythmic. Alright, so now what the heck was this under? Because did I name it like a different thing? Let's try this. Let's do song underscore 1. We'll select everything but that, and I think that's... Yeah, it's basically it. So let's toss all these into here. And then we'll say, you know, song underscore 2, which is the good one. We'll go into here. Then real quickly what we will do is we will have to export every single one of these stems because stems are fun to deal with. So let's see. So we're doing this at, I guess 120 is a pretty easy number to work with. I'll just set all of these to be the same sample length, so they should ideally not go out of sync as easy. There we are. We'll sync all of these up, and then I'm just going to give one more pass of each one of these. Yeah, because that has no... I think... Oh, and then with the... Boink, boink. Wind. Okay. Yeah, I don't have any issues with that. We got a little bit of that click to it. Let's see. Save as song 2. Just that, please. I don't think that's saved right, but whatever. Okay, so now we have that done. Now I just need to export all of these stems because of course I do. Can I do Alt and just click on one? Nope. Awesome. Saucem. Bossum and some possum. A little smaller so I can select them all. Okay, now it is time to chip through because pain. Let's see, I'll save one more time just to be safe, and then we will export the audio video for this. Let's see. Yep, we have both. That's the second iteration of the song. No, it isn't. It's something else. I want to go into godot stuff. There we are. First 2D game. Resources. Music. Song 2. There we are. And then, I don't know, what's the first one I'm naming? So this one's going to be Bato. Bato.wav. Oh, did I hit render as loop? God damn it. Control Shift R. Okay, that's the hotkey I'm going to be using a lot. Renders loop. There we are. Control Shift R. Renders loop. Export. Bato.wav. Replace. Yep, that's fine by me. Now we burn through all the options because burning up through all the options is neither fun, and by fun I mean tedious, 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 tedious. This is the Bato Angie. Angry. Ari. I'm back, thoroughly ice creamed. Welcome back. I realized I never exported these stems, so I gotta burn through these stems real quickly, exporting all of them. And then once I export all the stems, then my goal is going to be getting all the stems kind of working and whatnot. And what's your little fun fact? This one's gonna be, what is it? It's just playing, okay. Pling! Okay, and then now we got some Lizzos to take care of. Export. Lizzos. I was rat once they room with the rubber, crazy rubber. Rubber makes me rubber. I think rubber makes your English go sideways too. Let's see. Control Shift R, export. We'll make this one the crow. Because crow is fun. And then we got the hunter. Let's see. Hunter. And then, oh, I didn't have the wind muted. Oh, Jesus Christ, I really hope I have the wind muted. Because not, I'm about to re-export all of these. Okay, let's just hope. So this one's going to be wind. I'm about to re-export the hunter. I know that. Export. Hunter. Replace. Replace. There we are. Alright, now I'm gonna double check these samples, because holy crap, if they're not muted, I am going to be upsetty mother freaking spaghetti. So let's see. So 1 second, just wanna put the right thing on over here. Oh my gosh. There we are. Alright, so now that I'm here, I need to go to here. Okay. Please don't be corrupted. Or not corrupted, but a pain in the ass. God damn it. Why did I miss one? How did I miss one? Gosh darn it. Okay. That's awesome. Okay. Well, either way we can deal with it. That's just gonna be a huge pain in the ass to deal with. So let's see. Control Shift R, export. This is the Bato. Replace. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, I know what the hunter now. Ah! Oh, sorry. What's like the crying cat meme? Like the Okay, Bato. Replace. Replace. Okay, Bato Angie. Bato underscore angry. Replace, please. Okay. Now we need a dir. How did I mess this up? That is so silly of me. That's so silly. I hate my small little brain sometimes. The brain. It's so silly. It's so silly. This is playing. Did I do deer? Yes, I'm sure we're right. I don't think I did the deer. I might have done it, but I think I might have done it under the wrong name. So I guess let's check real quickly. Okay, accidentally close the folder. Gosh, freaking darn. What the heck? Control Shift T. Okay, okay, there we go. This would be under /volumes, 970 projects, dot, first 2D game, resources, music, song 2. Let's see, so is the Battle Angry what I accept? Yeah, Battle Angie is like not correct. Why is Battle Angie not correct? Export audio video. Batoengi.wav. Replace. Yes. Ha. Oh, I just realized one of your messages got held for review, Adam. YouTube doesn't like the sass. It doesn't like the sauce. It don't like the tis nor the toss. Now we just do it for Tib to say it because Tib has a slow brain.
User Adam1 Creeper says, "Yes, you have a very tiny brain, mortal."
For some reason, YouTube didn't like that one. Okay, so where are we at? So, oh my gosh. Okay, so you know what? I become thoroughly confuzzled. I'm just gonna wipe and restart. There we go. Now we're here. Save. Okay. Track 1. Oh my gosh. Control Shift R. Export. This is going to be Bato. Yes, Bato. So we're doing Bato. Bato. Bato, 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 Bato. Alright, so that's the Bato. Then we're doing Bato Angi. Bato underscore angry. That did sound like a slightly different Bato. Then we're doing the dir. Dir. Okay, so here's the deer coming. There we are. Okay, now we have playing. Playing. Okay. Then we have Lizzo's. So now for Lizzo's, we want to do the same thing, but then name it to Lizzo's. Okay. And then we want to go to crow. And then say the crow. Bang. And now we can export the hunter. Don't want to take a screenshot. I want to export the hunter, please. Hunter. Okay. And then now the wind, the final one. Wind. Okay. So now this should all be good. Holy crap. So, okay, so let's real quickly burn through these files and see if we can actually get these files.
User, Atom1 Creeper says, when do I get to be in the game? I should have been the first one added as I am not a mere mortal like the others.
Hush, you are but a secret baby child. Do not worry, I'll fit you in somewhere. Okay. 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 Whoa, fit in. Calm down. Whoa. Somewhere? Where might that somewhere be? Okay, nice little click to it. Okay. This is good. This is good, yeah. Okay. Will it fit? I don't know. It might be a bit of a stretch, but I think we'll get it in there. Alright, let's see. So what I want to do now is I then want to create a music manager class, I think. Let's see. Can I create a new scene here? Oh, I can. Let's see. Music underscore manager. Power. There we are. Alright, so now that I'm in the music manager. Okay, my chat just disconnected for a second. I think the internet just died. So if I die in the future, stream drops out or whatever, that is not my fault. That has something to do with Discord or something, because holy crap. Okay, so now from here, I need to very quickly add like 8 audio sources. Audio stream? Stream player TD? Yeah, audio stream player TD. So let's see, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so now all of these I want to be independent. Like this, sort of. Okay, there's that. I have no idea what you're trying to TTS, madam. There is nothing. Let's see. So now that I have these, I guess I'll just rename them real quickly. So I'll name it audio stream underscore, and then I just gotta reference the channels. So let's see what we can do with the channels being referenced, shall we? Let's see. Okay, so here we are. Yeah. So now, I meant to bring you up, not like drag you, but okay. There we are. So we have audio stream underscore Bato. We have audio stream underscore Bato Angry. Then we have audio stream underscore Deer. Then we have, I'm just gonna copy this actually because that'd be a lot quicker. Then we have the audio stream underscore playing. Then we have the audio stream underscore Lizzos. Then we have audio stream Pro. I'm just gonna say Lizzo. And then we have audio stream underscore Hunter. And then we have audio stream underscore Wind. The TTSQ is slowly going up and nothing is happening. Yes, it is bugged yet again. It is a bug I need to deal with, but not today. Not at this moment. Okay, so let's see. So then... Oh, how do I want to do this? So what I'm thinking is for this, and what I'll do, is I think I'll make it so that every time the Gameba Lameba, like basically what I'm thinking is that so each time an entity spawns, I will increment a counter, and then each time an enemy despawns, I will decrement the counter, and then doing so I think should lead me to not greatness but something. We'll do the Bato, followed by the Bato Engi, followed by the Deer. I just realized the crow needs to go above the deer, so it'll be crow. And then the crow will go next. And then the deer was actually accidentally an MP3. Then the hunter should be after deer. Nope. Hunter should be after deer. And then the hunter will get the WAV. And then after that, the playing sound... Oh, no, it's not the playing sound. The Lizzos. The Lizzos gets dragged in next. And then we have the playing script, which is this one here. Whoops. Did I select the wrong one? Yes, I did. Awesome. So the Lizzos go there. The playing is here. And then the wind is the last one. So wind will basically always be playing. And then the idea is that if there's none, then the audio needs to fade down and out. And if there is any, then it needs to fade in. But let's see if it even plays right now. Don't hurt my ears, don't hurt my ears, don't hurt my ears. I'm not playing the scene. Oh, because I didn't turn playing on. Okay, so... what's the difference between playing and autoplay? Autoplay, I guess, needs to be on? Autoplay would be the one that makes sense to me. Autoplay, autoplay... 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 No, wait, go back. Play the scene. Okay, I guess I need playing on. Oh, hell yeah, they're all horribly out of tune, or sync. Oh yeah, that sounds like booty. Oh, that sounds like booty. You all get to listen to this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's where it sounds garbage. Let's see. Oh, it isn't looping. That is odd. Okay, so playing gets disabled, but autoplay gets done anyways? Can I play the scene again? Velbite, can you let me message through? I see no message right now. The last time I got flagged for, I did not see a single one this time. YouTube is a strange, strange platform. And I don't think that I should have maxed out the API stuff, because unlike last time, I definitely made sure to set it like way below the limit. Let me actually check it. I haven't actually checked it yet, so let's actually see how we're doing on the API stuff right now. Yeah, no, I'm doing fucking fantastic. I've used up only 5% of it so far, actually. Let me just double check. Okay, I'm at 16%. So I'm at 16%. I have made around 1,667 requests. However, I've made those 1,667 requests over an hour, so I'm well actually under the limit. What did I set my rate to? Because I'm curious, because I think I might be able to keep up them next time, but you get the idea. So I think I should be good for about 5 hours. I mean, hey, we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Atom 1 Creeper says, you have only seen 1% of my power.
Have I now? Well, I guess we'll have to see one day, because currently I believe I am keeping you wrapped within a toaster, my G. Okay, so why is this not playing? Why are these not playing? Play in loop. Playback type, stream sample, default stream sample. Okay, let's see if we can find some resources on this. We'll drag the browser. Sorry, it's that little sliver that I want to make. Okay, so let's see. We'll do godot loop audio. Okay, that seems easy enough. So function on loop sound, pause equals false. Okay, I think I'm just gonna yank that. And then we'll see what we can do. So we'll just do something like this. We'll do script. We'll close all these scripts. We will then create a new script onto here. Music manager. Yep. That seems good to me. And then we'll just do something kind of like that-ish. We'll do this on ready. Let's see. Okay, so connect finished uncallable self on loop sound up by player. Player was not declared the current scope. That's fine. So I'm just gonna have to redo this. So I want to call self, and then I want to bind it to underscore on underscore loop underscore sound. It didn't flag your app. We will in fact show the app. There's your app. There's your app. You may have your panic. On the Tib manager thing, I just completely broke the text. I should probably fix that. Let me add a little note for that. Let's see. Whoops. Double dash make text in message list wrap on overflow. There we are. Alright, another thing for me to deal with. Thank you, Adam. Your didn't even come up, actually. So I think that one just got eaten by the void. Okay, so let's see. So we have that. So let's see. I'm going to do... okay, what was the one that I just referenced? Because I think there might have been a subtlety to that that I didn't notice. Someday you'll get your revenge. One day. My gosh, default text editing feels so slow by comparison. Oh my god. Sitting here having to like chip through all the freaking messages is just such a...
One creeper says, someday I'll get my revenge.
You can keep trying, kid. Anyways, but yeah, no, what was I doing? So freaking that... That seems not like it doesn't matter. Okay, let's see. So we'll do, var, audio underscore bato. Whoops. Okay, I need Neopim. It's in my bones. Music underscore manager.gd. There we are. Save you. We'll load you. Yank. Whoop. We'll yank. Did I not? Did I just yank? Yeah. 6 paste. Audio bato. Bato. Angry. Dear. What else is there? There is freaking other things. I know that. Why did you get that? Excuse you. No, I don't want you to go fat. Stay skinny. Me at my waistline. Let's see. Okay, there goes the whiz term. There we are. Bring it back. I said bring it back. Let's see, where's the corner? It's like right here. There we go. Okay. God bless shadows. Okay, so you have the Bato, we have the Crow, actually, is what I'm concerned about. Then we have the Dur. Then we have the Hunter. Then we have the Lizzo. Then we have the audio just playing. Then we have the Wind. Okay, and then after that, so then I just need to do... is there a way to reference the thing itself? Callable self, on loop sound. I'm gonna look it up, because I want to see, callable. Because I want to see if I can call a function with like a value or whatever. Godot. Because I'm hoping that I can add an argument like right there. Godot add argument to callable. I don't think that's working. That's kind of weird. It's a little silly. I don't really know what to do about that specifically.
User, Atom1Creeper says, my initializing Tim.
See. That's cool. I think. This note is Russian. I have no idea what it just said. I do not speak the Russian. We speak vodka and cry. It doesn't seem to be... He said my name is Tim. You know what? I will believe that, because that last word does look like Tim. Which I know has very little binding, but you get the idea. Oh my gosh, what the heck is all this? Okay, so I could just be lazy and just create a callable for each, like, thing. It'd be nice to make it more, like, polymorphic, but, like, hey, I guess. Bato underscore end. Okay, then we can do something kind of like, there we are, on Bato, Engi end. This is very much the jank way to do it, but I mean, like, I don't know what else to do, so I'm gonna make it work. We got the crow, we got the dir. Yeah, we got the dir. We got all that. I'm just gonna make these dense because it doesn't matter. Excuse me, you should have semicolons, you silly hecker. There we are. So we got the deer. Then we got hunter. Then we got Lizzo. Then we got playing. Then we got Queen. Wind. There we are. So that should actually run constantly, basically. So I have no idea what I would specifically do about that, because that's nice and fun, but...
User, Atom1 Creeper says, Stalin.
I wonder what you said there. Alright, let's see. So... Now... yeah, so all these are going to be running basically constantly. And then the only thing I'm going to do is basically... what do you call it? All I'm basically going to do is every time one of these ends, it's going to loop. And then I'm just going to be adjusting the audio. Self.connect. Isn't it self.connect? Self.connect, finish callable, that. Oh, self-connect is not a function. There we are, self.connect. Okay, let's see, we want to go Bato. Oh no, it needs to be audio underscore Bato. Audio underscore Bato. Let's see, audio underscore Bato, angry. Audio underscore pro. Whoops. Undo. Okay. Audio underscore, the third one is pro. I don't know what happened there. I seem to have undid it for whatever reason. Audio underscore dir. Diro. Not naming it Diro was a missed opportunity. Audio underscore hunter. Let's see. Audio underscore Lizzo. Let's see, and then audio underscore playing, and then excuse you, I should delete the word. There we are. And then audio underscore wind. Okay, that should have fixed the thing. Delta equals under. Okay, there we are. Okay, so now that we're here, let's see, what can we do? We can, I guess, retest the scene. Here, let me turn on the audio for the world. Audio does not seem to be playing. Okay. So on ready, I think I basically just gotta take all of them and, like, run it. I think I'm gonna stop letting random TTS messages in Russian go through just because I can't moderate them. And I think that's gonna be a bad idea for me to do. So I apologize. It is nothing against you, Adam, but I do not want to get in the habit of being like, it's fine, and then, like, accidentally let through some, like, horrible stuff. So yes, apologies, Atom. Let's see. Should I have let's see. So I'm gonna make a macro out of this. Q. I don't know. I'll do key. So we'll do Shift A, back, dot, play. I think is what I want. Enter. Then we'll exit, and then we'll go down, and then we'll go Q again. So then I want to do like 7QY. I don't know if at Y. Or sorry, did I fuck up the macro? 7 at P. Oh, there we go. Okay, I don't know why that's complaining, but let's do that, I guess. Okay, block. You should function. Let's see. Okay, so there's all of that. Why did that not work? Well, I guess we'll do this. Okay, and then we'll just go insert a. We'll go up, insert tab. There we are. Okay, there we go. So now I see no reason for this not working. So I will play this again and then see what happens. Wrong thing, goddamn. Non-existent function. Does it want a capital P? Does it want a capital P? Does it want the big P or does it want a small P? Let's see. Play. Oh, I just realized I'm not defining any of these. Okay. Is equal to $, audio stream Batto. Is equal to $, audio stream Batto Angie. The big P. In this house, we stand for the cross and kneel for the big P. And there's the worst joke I would have made all stream. Thank you, appreciate it. Let's see. So then we got Crow. I would have thought it would be selected, but apparently not. So we got Crow now. Oh, don't want to do that. Is equal to what would that be? That would be just $, audio. And then now we want to go $ audio hunter, which is going to be that one. And then we're going to say this one is going to be, I don't know why I did that. $ audio stream Lizzo. Is equal to $ audio stream playing. And then last one is going to be equal to audio stream _ wind. Okay, I think that should work. And then for all of these, I think I just need to add a preload. So just, Control V, sorry. Shift I at on ready. I think this will work, knock on wood. There's no audio. Wait, why is there no audio? It's not erroring. There's a debugger thing that has a single error. Because does it want to be playing instead? Is that the issue? It does not play, it's playing. Is equal to true. Playing equals true. It's a thing that comes up as a variable. Play is equal to true. Playing is equal to true. Playing is equal to true. Playing is equal to true. Watch me have to make all these function calls. Playing is equal to true. Okay, that should work. If it just doesn't work, I don't know what happened. Nothing still, really. But if I click on you and I hit like playing. Okay, but now there's no audio in general. Why does some of these things suddenly have like no audio? Okay, why does this one not have any audio though? What? What? Why are you muted? Huh? Is this not like just like is this just not like something that I can like easily do? Like what? It's literally just playing. So I want to get like you. Yeah. So I should be able to go, if I'm not tripping absolute balls, I should be able to go audio underscore, let's just do deer dot play. Well, the deer's going whatever. That's awesome. Audio stream dot playing. What if I instead call it as a function? Wrong scene. Okay. I don't care. What if I say like this and I pass in a true? No? Okay. What the hell is happening with you? Okay, I'm gonna do this instead. I'm gonna say... because this is a pain in the ass to deal with. I am going to instead say... do some array work, because array work is so much nicer. So I'm gonna do like... oh, sorry. Can I do like at preload? No. At on ready. Bugs. I thought I fixed it, but I ended up making it worse. Good news, it's not negative though, I guess. Audio channels is equal to an array, which is then going to be equal to all of these. Whoops. Okay. Actually, what if I instead did say that, move them up here on ready, all that, and then I just say in here, or no, wait, what if I instead change all of these? Okay, I need to go back to them. It's these text setting bothers me greatly. Okay, so let's do this. Then what we'll do is we'll go like tab into a new space. Tab, F $, tab, Shift F $, tab, Shift F of $, tab, Shift F $, tab. Oh, no, only single tab. Shift S $, tab. And then I want to do, let's see, we're gonna go down here, then we're gonna go, what is it? It's like, Shift I, preload. Do I want to do an at with it? Do I have to do an at? I don't recall if I have to do an at. Whoops, wrong bracket. No, the preload syntax seems to be working, so I think that's right. Whoop, need to be an A. There we are. Preload path must be a constant string. God damn it. Okay. I mean, I guess we just do Shift A. I can just do this. I can just do like at on ready. And then I can just go back one. And I could probably just delete these, but keep the formatting. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, there we are. What he's saying? Bub says Lamau. You said what the fuck's happening with the
User,
chat?
Atom1 Creeper says, you won't wake up tomorrow. I trapped your bed with peanut butter.
I mean, dude, sounds like a fucking gift to me. Then I don't have to go to work. So hey, I'm down. Let's see. Let's see. So then now I just want to go frickin' let's go hashtag whatever. Then we'll just say audio underscore, or I guess array. I'll say var audio array is going to be an array surprise. And then I want to say audio array is equal to audio underscore. Can I just very sneakily come in here and then just yank you and then just paste? And then let's like indent twice. Yeah. And then we can go something kind of like this. And then, yep. And then just place it a comma. 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 4, comma, 4. Okay, that seems to be good. And then let's see, I want to say for I in audio array, I want to say, hey, make sure you're playing, because, yeah, so we want to make sure that you're playing. So in playing, we want to go I dot, yeah, I guess we'll do I dot, playing equals true. That makes sense to me. I don't see why it wouldn't work. I don't see any bugs, so that's cool at least. So that isn't running, but it also isn't bugging either. So what's going on with you? So, like what's going on, right? Like that's what my concern is. Because I try to play the bat. Yeah, that's playing. If I do this. Why are you not playing? This isn't playing for some reason. Why is this thing not playing? So odd. Me on my way to make a physics engine in my 3D renders in Scratch. Best of fucking luck. I do not pity you in the slightest. That sounds like some self-inflicted hell, and I wish you the best with it. Let's see. Why are these not playing? I'm trying to think if there's anything like obvious like thing. If I drag it in there, does it reset? No. Okay, does it maybe prefer MP3s? No. What happens if I simply just close the scene and then reopen it? Think about that one, huh? Think about that little silly goose, huh? Okay, why is this audio not loading? Loop mode disabled. I actually want you enabled. I guess I can't. Okay, that's very strange. What the heck's up with you? Godot audio not playing when playing equals true. Not playing sound in game, but we'll play an editor. Okay. So instead, I just want to do just say I'll play as a function. Let's try it again, I guess. Okay. Funny thing, I only just realized yesterday that all my quote-unquote code has the rotation matrix flipped around, so that's fun. Yes, so it's the debate of, is this the new standard, or do I have to go back and undo all of this? That wonderful, wonderful circumstance. Oh, I just realized something's bothering me, so give me just a second to fix it. Those don't go in there, that's capitally silly. There, that can go there. That can go stacked like this. These can go over here. You do not belong in there at all. You can go over there. 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 You can go there. Oh, I think micro price inversion. Oh, these are gonna be bad. Okay, those are gonna be very bad, actually. Yeah, I don't want those sitting there any longer. Okay, back to this. Enable 3D audio, it's saying. So where's that? Where would that be? Let's go to the viewport settings under audio listener, enable 3D audio. So viewport under viewport settings. Viewport settings. Nope. Where'd the viewport settings be? Is it gonna be like over like here? Product settings. Viewport. 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 Where is the viewport? I don't know where the viewport is.
User, Atom1 Creeper says, I am a mere machine, but not even the emperor of mankind matches me in sheer power.
The sheer power to make toast. You have the ability to bestow upon the toast unmet like others. It's like here? So there's buses. There is the default playback. There's the drivers. Video. Okay, that's so weird. That is such a strange little thing to do.
User,
Like
Atom1 Creeper says, I am a mere machine, but not even the emperor of mankind matches me in sheer power. User, Atom1 Creeper says, take that pack or else you will feel my wrath.
What is that pack? What is that pack? I do not know what that pack is. You tell me what the pack is. Yeah, dude, where is the viewport settings? Godot, Godot, viewport, settings. Holy crap, why is this so freaking annoying? I don't want sub viewport, I just want viewport settings. Your code is a bit broken. Where specifically? I am so confused because there should be a thing in here that's working. I don't care. It said my previous message on the new one. Yeah, listen. The toaster's a little bit broken, but we don't judge it, okay? We get a little pat on the head, we move on with the day, and we pretend that everything's fine. Why is this not working? I feel like I need to just reload Godot. I'm gonna reload Godot. I'm gonna give it a reload because it was working for a second and then it was just like, nah. So I'm gonna give it another go and I'm gonna see how that goes. Little sippy water, drinky. Okay. That can be closed now. No, I do not wish to close you. Where did Godot go? There it is. I can tell you letting your heart out. Okay, so that's still messed. Is it gonna play? It plays there. Does it play here? Oh, it plays there now. Oh, that's actually perfect. Was it literally just a restart issue? Because that should be all it is. Wait, wrong one. Because this should work now. Why are you not working, huh? Why are you not working, huh? Why are you not working, huh? For I and audio array, if I dot, playing equals false, if I dot playing equals false, then do the play. Okay, go for it now? Dude, why is this not working? It's working there, which is so weird. Like, what's wrong with you? Just throw that previously said message, and if the one about it matches, then don't say it. Yeah, I mean, I thought I did that, But here we are, I guess. Yeah, dude, right now I'm just trying to freaking sound my head with this audio issue, because this audio issue is just so strange. Because this audio issue, like, I don't understand. It's just, it should be working. Like, if I just go into here and I click playing, yeah, that works. What about the crow? Yeah, crow's working. What about just this? Yeah, that's working. That's the hunter. It's not the hunter, I should say. Yeah, like, you're working. Well, quote unquote working. You have audio clearly. What's wrong with you? I should maybe normalize the audio actually now that I think about it. But hey, whatever works. Nah, dude, I'm so confused. Because it should work. There's no reason this shouldn't work. But there's actually negatory reasons. It's like, what the hell? I'm gonna print to make sure it's running. Print. Creating audio array. Okay. And then after that, I want to then say print checking audio channels. That one will spam out, but I mean, like, oh, that's not an actual function. That's might be a slight issue. There we are. Okay, that one will spam out, but I mean, like, being realistic, there's nothing else for it to do. So I should see just like a flood of text in like the console. Yeah. Yeah, so it's checking. Okay, so then what might else it be? Guys, I'm checking my coffee and then go to bed. Sounds fun. Have fun with your coffee chug. I'm gonna move that over there. What the hell is going on with this though? Like, actually. Like, what is actually happening with you? You are being a silly salamander for some frickin' reason I don't understand. See you around, Adam. Thanks for swinging by. Have fun. Why? I want to make progress, but you are hurting my soul. Ah! Okay, where the heck is Ark? There's Ark. Okay. So now we're here. What the heck are we doing? What the heck is going on? What are we doing? What are we doing? Okay. That's fine. Player.play. Oh wait, I think I need to add an audio listener to the scene. I just remembered the add child node. I think like dots are connecting now. Audio listener 2D. Current, sure, why not? Visibility. Ordering, texture, material. Play? Oh, it feels good! Oh, feels so good! I used my brain today! Yeah! Holy crap, that was annoying. Oh my gosh, that was so annoying. Okay. I don't like that delay, that little glitchy loop thing. Then again, I guess it is synchronous, so I mean, like, should I worry about it even? Like, here, 1 second. I'm gonna play again. I'm gonna play one more time. Yeah, I hate that frickin' that they're like, but it's like I don't know what else I would do. Okay, so now that I have that is cool. What I then want to do is I then want to see about, in main, I then want to do a, can I just drag this in? I can drag this in, can't I? Yeah, music managers. Now if I hit play, actually no, I'll do this, is, on ready, I need to set a few audio types down, so I'm gonna go, on ready, for I in audio array, I want to do a thing where if I is not equal to what would it be? It would be wind. I dot volume. Is it volume? I don't know what it would be. Would it be volume? Volume underscore dB. So, oh, I need to be audio underscore wind. I dot volume. What if I say like this? What if I just okay, yeah. Calm down. I got you. Good dot. I dot audio, or not audio, would be I'm just gonna copy the property here, I guess. Copy value path. Point volume dB is equal to what's the lowest scale it can go? We have -80. Okay, so we'll set that back to 0. Is equal to -80. Okay, so now everything should be mute but the wind on start. Yeah! Okay, arrays are fun and epic and cool and awesome, and I like playing with arrays. Arrays are nice. Okay, so now that we have the array done, let's see. I'm trying to think of how I would want to do this. Do I want like a duplicate array? Or would I maybe prefer to convert Music Manager to a map? I guess I could do a map. I'm a map. Actually, no, that'd be a bit of a pain in the ass, actually. So I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna keep that as an array. And then I'll add one more array that I'll make an array that is like entity underscore counter, which I think I'll actually make a map instead. Entity counter. And then with the entity counter, I'll actually make a bunch of pre-made values. So I'll do something like, say, bats or batos is going to be equal to 0 by default, and then batos underscore angry is going to be equal to 0 by default. Why don't I just go something kind of like this? We'll hop over into NeoVim. We'll do something very simple, just kind of like yoink, paste, doink, indent. We'll go to start. We'll just go like that. I actually don't want everything to be in audio anymore, surprisingly. Doink. Whoops. Or with that, comma, -0. -0. Make it a 0. We can continue with you. We can make you a 0. And then we can make you a 0. Okay, and then we just need one more up here. That would be, guess what, a 0. There we are, awesome. So now we have an array of these things, which means that... I'm gonna have to make a whole bunch of freaking sources for this now. That's gonna suck. How would I send a signal to a parent? I guess I could just reference main. And then in referencing main, I could do something like, you know, existence is cool. Is that what I would want to do, though? I'm trying to think. So if I go here, godot, get all children of type. Because that, I think, should be okay. Okay. I'm trying to think, because I'm kind of reaching a point where my, like, design choice wasn't done very well, so I don't have, like, a count of, like, the objects. So by not having a count of the objects, I'm just going to be kind of low-key suffering, which is going to be a huge pain in the ass. What I'm thinking I'll do is I'll tense these up a little bit, because holy crap, they're, kind of garbo. Why is the grass scene separated like that? Excuse you. There we are. So let's see, what am I doing now? So okay, so I need to get an array. But how would I like create a thing? Gosh, this is such like one of those things where it's like the way that I would inherently think of doing it would just be such a pain. Not a pain, but like, what's the inverse of a pain? Like just like quote unquote easy, I guess? I don't know. Yeah, you know what I can actually do, I'm thinking now, is I could go into the music manager, I can duplicate the entity counter like this. So now we have this as the entity counter. We could say on play. Let's see, on underscore or not on play. So now we have the game over, so we'll minus it. So we'll say on end, we will say the entity counter will be equal to these things. So game over, we will say entity counter will say I guess everything equal to 0 except for wind. That actually makes sense, yeah. Or sorry, everything to 0 except for wind. Wrong tab, but sure that works. Okay, and then on play, where is on play? Mob timeout, new game right here. So on new game, we'll say, we'll say that the entity counter, we'll say that, the deer now is equal to 1. And then we'll say that the playing script is going to be equal to 1. I won't touch wind because wind should be playing constantly. Do I want to access it though? Maybe like a not a function. What am I thinking of? Like I'm thinking like I'll just look at the access a map in Godot. Godot access value of map. Dictionary. Okay, can you take me to the dictionary? That would be cool. See, this doesn't actually help my problem. GD script reference. Where is a map? I want to see how to access the map. The dictionary, whatever the heck. Where is the dictionary? Yeah, create a dictionary. Add string. Add number, hello, add integer for as a key and assign the string hello. Yeah, that makes sense. Add the string that and get that. Yeah. Okay, so I think what I need to do instead is I need to say entity counter dot dir is equal to 1. Entity counter dot playing equals 1. And then what I need to do is I need to copy these. And then I basically need to go down here and say like entity counter dot yank bat toes equals actually I guess I could keep that because I'm just redefining the array. So I'm gonna say, you know, wind here is equal to 1. Wind is equal to 1 because we're not getting rid of that. Oh, you know, let's just see if that works, because then I'll just go into here and I'll just say in the process tab, I'll say if playing goes false, play. Then I want to do is if so we got the array earlier, so we'll just say var entity counter is equal to get underscore parent dot entity counter. I think that will work. 50, yeah, that's fine. I don't care about that. So then it's like if so the array should match in size. So if audio underscore not audio, if entity counter I, or sorry, entity counter of I is not equal to 0, then do a thing. And that thing that I want to do is I want to say that I dot volume. How did I send the volume before? Volume underscore dB. Volume underscore dB is equal to 0. Okay, I don't see why that wouldn't work. But I know I'll get some errors. I don't know why there's an E there. Let's try reload that. Let's see what happens here. Entity counter is a base type of null instance. Entity counter is going to be a dictionary, actually. Dictionary. Why is the parent not saying it's a thing? I thought I could easily just grab the thing from another scene pretty easily. Could I not? Or is it because I'm like not doing it in like ready or whatever? Is that the issue? At on ready, do that. Audio stream battle type base type dictionary. Okay. So instead, how do I get, instead of like the I increment, how do I get the index of it? God, I just prefer boomer loops so much more. godot, loops. Because like boomer loops are just so much nicer because you can just tell like exactly where you are, what you're doing, and it's just like it's just so much nicer. While loop. Yeah, I just do a boomer loop, dude. I just want a for I equals 0. I just want a boomer loop, man. Godot, boomer loop. I don't care about boomer shooter. I just want a boomer loop, man. Okay. Hello LLM. Can I get a freaking boomer loop here? In Godot, can I do a classic for int I equals 0, I less than length, I plus plus question mark. Please say yes. Yeah. That is like the worst thing in the world for me. Oh my god. Okay. I unironically really fucking hate that so much. It is such a pain in the ass. I just give me the boomer loop, man. Just give me the boomer loop. Like, oh my god, it's just such a pain because now I gotta do something like freaking like I don't know, like var like int underscore length is equal to like what would it be? It would be like get underscore parent dot entity counter dot what would the thing be? Would it just be like size audio array dot size, or is it like length? No, size. Okay. So then I gotta do this like dot size, and I think that's gotta be a function call. And then it's like I gotta do like for I in int underscore length, do like this, and then it's like if like audio array of I is playing, then do like audio array of I, play it, and then like the entity counter is not equal to 0, then I want to do audio array audio array of the index I. Just tell me this works, please, man. I hate these loops so much. God, property access key 0 on base. Oh yeah. So what would it be? It would be like frickin' for like for key in entity counter. Audio array of key. I don't. No, because it's not converting to a number. Because the key is just going to be whatever the name is. So the name isn't going to fucking work. So, oh my god. Okay, well, you know what we're doing? We're converting this to an array, and we're just going to add a comment. That is the deluxe cool way to do it, and that's what I'm going to do because holy friggin' fraggin'. So it's going to go yank, paste, comment. Comment, select until point, paste, comment, and then paste the Rooney in just a sec. There we are. Cut, paste, cut, paste. Holy crap. cut, dollar sign, paste, cut, comment, paste, and then one last time, cut, comment, paste. Okay, so now that that's done, holy crap. Okay, so I'm just gonna frickin' I just got to copy paste this list fucking everywhere, but I don't care. It's gonna be worth it. Oh, that is correct. Oopsie poopsie. Don't let me drag you, please. That would be awesome. Thank you. Save. Okay, so now where are we at? So we need entity counter of this thing here to be frickin' locked. So no, this is gonna be so bad because then if I need to do anything, that's just gonna like relock itself. Holy crap! What can I do here? Like, what can I do that would be better than this? Because like right now, this is actually just going to be terrible, and I don't like. I want the music feature to work. But at the same time, I don't want it to be like one of those things where it's like, not a pain in the ass. What am I thinking of? Like I don't want it to be like a like this isn't going to work or scale. So there needs to be another way to do it, right? Which is the issue. So it's like, how do I do this? Do I make this like a child of like the parent class? Or do I make this like some other iteration of like fun and like use that as like a suffranim? Because this just at the moment is just not going to scale. So like, what do I actually do? Like what do I like what is a pattern that would work here? Would having like, I don't just want to throw everything into main, because throwing everything into main is just going to be an absolute pain in thine anus. So it's just going to be, you know, an absolute pain in thine ass. So that's going to be just like a what the hell. So like, what do I do then? What do I do then? What the hell do I what's going on in here? Like, what the hell do I freaking I'm just trying to think. Here, you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna BRB. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quickly, and then when I get back, hopefully we'll have like a conclusion for this. So yeah, I'll take that second to think while I'm doing it. So yeah, BRB. I have returned. I have returned. Returned I have, and now it is time for us to do things. So, what the hell am I doing? I'm trying to think. It's like, okay, so the only thing I can think of is throwing more things into the music manager class and then having that sort of be the management, I guess. Because, like, part of the reason for me doing this, I guess, to go on like a sort of micro rant, is basically like what I'm trying to do with this is I'm trying to make this like a small project that like I'm not over committed to. I'll get it to a point that say it's crossed the finish line, but I don't want to like make this like a big like magnum opus. I want to kind of get this done in a couple months, right? So I'm trying to use this to learn like all like sort of the rough corners, learn some design patterns and things like that. And what my current issue is, and where I'm sitting with this, where I'm sort of, I guess, struggling, is I'm at this point where I don't know, like, larger architecture decisions that I should make, right? Like, I'm at this point where I'm not exactly screwed, right? But it's also one of those things where it's like, I'm not exactly having, you know, an amazing time, right? So, like, I'm kind of in this awkward, like, sort of middle ground of, like, being, like, it's not, like, scared to commit, but it's, like, I just don't want to make, like, the worst decision possible, right? So, I'm trying to think of, like, how I can do this in a way that would not be catastrophic or turn to spaghetti, where there's so many loose ends that like I just don't know what to do, right? So what I'm kind of thinking of doing right now, and this could easily be wrong, this isn't meant to be like a final commitment thing, this is just meant to be a like, you know, like, hey, here's my kind of early thoughts, is if I take all of this real quickly, group it, lock it, hide it, there we are. So, like, what I'm kind of thinking right now is if we, like, so this is kind of like some UML diagram stuff, right? Actually, you know what? I have not looked into Excalidraw yet, so let's do that. Excalidraw. Okay, so it's an online thing. Okay, sure. Can I have a dark mode, please? There we are. Beautiful. So, like, what I'm thinking is so that, you know, you'll obviously have, like, main up here, right? And that's going to be, you know, obviously a thing that's, like, existing. And then what I'm thinking of kind of doing now is that we can have, like, state managers, like, music, as an example. We could have, like, I don't know what it would be. What would a good example be? Like the entity spawner, right? We have like the entity spawner and then like I don't know, like HUD stuff, right? HUD underscore stiff. Something kind of like that, right? And then, you know, the communication only works like kind of like these ways, right? So like we'll go like back here, something kind of like that-ish, where it goes like ping ping boom. So it kind of goes like that, and then those would communicate with the individual entities. My issue though, and this is where like I'm sort of having the issue, is that I don't like I have this issue where if you just imagine this being like, you know, all the entities, right? Can I select you, please? I cannot type. What? Excuse. I don't want to draw. Entities. But yeah, like if I'm here, right? Like I don't want I don't want to create an awkward as hell chain like this, where everything's trying to run through the entity spawner or the entity manager, right? I'll rename it entity manager because that makes more sense. Entity management, I guess. Management. There we go. But yeah, like I don't want everything running through entity management because then I have to run back through other stuff to make this work. So it's like I kind of have to, but like what else would I do? I could make music a child of entity management. So like what I could do, I guess, is I could instead make entity management like kind of like this and have this be like a child that is in like relation to this thing. Can I just insert a text box in here? Entity. Sure, good enough. But yeah, like, man, I don't know what's going on with you. But yeah, like, I'm just thinking, like, you know, something kind of like that-ish. Can we drag you back out? There we are. Beautiful. Because then, like, this way, that kind of makes sense, but then it's also just, like, a huge pain in the ass. The other thing I can maybe do instead is I can maybe have it so that each entity spawns their own music and they're responsible for it, and I just do something where it's, like, it's layered, but no, that doesn't make any sense either. So, like, how would I do this? Because I really want the music idea to happen, because the music idea happening feels like it would be a lot more sort of like fun, I guess. Entities, just so it still helps, because that isn't terrible. And then the HUD can do direct relation to main stuff, which would then edit stuff. I don't like it, but I don't hate it either. The only issue is that at this point it's effectively a tree, which feels like an awkward structure, more awkward than it needs to be. But I could also be very wrong about that. Anyway, I think I'm going to do it that way. I think I'm going to have main control game state. I'm just gonna put in brackets game state. I think have the entity management, which will interact with music and kind of go back and forth on it, kind of like that-ish. And then now this whole thing has effectively turned into a tree, which is kind of annoying, but also kind of works. Yeah. I'm trying to think if there's like anything wrong with this before I commit to this, but the issue is that like I can see this working out. I don't see any direct reason why entities would need to compete with, or not compete, but communicate with what do you call it? I don't see any reason the entities would directly need to communicate with like the HUD. I don't see any reason why the HUD would need to communicate with the music. Most of that stuff can just be done through like a config file, which would just be a complete separate thing. Yeah. You know what, that'll be a bit of a pain in the ass, but I think that's probably the most reasonable way to go. So, what we'll do real quickly is we'll just create a node. We'll simply call this one entity management. Entity underscore management. There we are. Now let's get rid of these things. Where the hell is entity management? Where's that? Because I'm thinking entity management will also be like how I do like game stuff. I don't think I saved it. That's the issue, I think. Other node. Oh, it's right there apparently. So let's see. We'll do this into, I guess, just resources. Where else will I put it? I guess I'll move the player script into deer. Does that make sense? So now with entity management, I then want to go say, we can get rid of you, don't save anything I did there, please and thank you. Okay, so let's see, so yeah, main I'll have be just do things like the HUD and, you know, like save, exit, whatever. So where am I going from here? So what I want dragged out is I want... Yeah, so I'm just thinking, I'm just trying to like scan this before I do it. So if we remove the entity counter for now, because that isn't something that I've committed to yet. But yeah, so I want all of, say, you. Like that. I actually did that to do, so that's neat. We'll abstract all of these into the entity counter. Like that. The grass can be something different. That can be a different thing. Node. New script. Entity management can fall under here. And then you can go away because you weren't needed. Then from main, we'll say that, yeah. So we'll grab the entity management here now. Is that ready? It's supposed to be not ready. Okay. And then, what's the issue with you? We've not matched the previous indentation. Let's... Fine, there you go. So it'd be get underscore parent dot that. I did specify. Does it maybe want something like that? Well, whatever. I'm gonna very loosely put this in. I can go bug squashing some other time. Because now I want to grab all this stuff. Yeah, so drag these. We'll go say these can all go into here. So can I just drag like these? Like all of these. Just say like into here. Nope, okay. But I can do probably that. Do probably like some of that. Yeah. Cool. Okay, so now that we've got that. We can also now delete the mob spawn path. And then we need to move score back up. We are. Let's see. I'll keep all that. Okay. Let's see. I'm cool with all the player position stuff being like that. Start timer can exist because that's a HUD thing. This will go down here though. Let's see. I think now on this, basically these would go into a func called game over here. Like this, I think. Then, let's see, kill all dot emit. You know what, I'll move the signal up for kill all back up. Because I can call kill all anyways from in there. So I'll do that. Then, makes sense, that makes sense. Makes sense, score, HUD, yep, that's cool. Oh, wait. And so now here, I'm going to want to add this, because that's going to be the on mob timer timeout thing. And I think just all of this is going to go up. Yeah. Yeah, all of that's going to go up. So the score I need to get from the parent. Let's do that. Let's do var score is equal to get underscore parent dot score. I think that should work. That's a direct line of communication. That's really easy for me to deal with. HUD, if input action quit is done. Yeah. Okay. That is all definitely far from perfect. This is gonna bug without a question when I hit start. But let's see how this does. Alright, unready entity counter. Yeah, that doesn't exist. Var entity counter. To do this, needs to be made and managed. Alright, there we go. So now that can be saved. The audio array. After identifying class body, that seems fine. Does it just want me to say like it's an array? What else are you looking for? Oh, because it said verb instead of bar, so it's probably freaking out. That's probably what it is. There we go. Let's just try to restart that, see what happens. Yeah, that's just gone again. In fact, all of this can go away. Stop and reload and see what happens now. Okay. That's a bit of a bork. What I think I'll do is I'll create a couple signals now. I'll create a signal that is like start underscore game, signal stop underscore game, and I'll replace kill all later. Let's see, move this into player dash entity management. Because with me doing this, this will let me get rid of this, and I can just create signals for like start game, stop game, probably pause game too as well. Actually, signal pause underscore game. Let's see, to do implement these. Because then that will give me a lot more options, because then if I hit pause game, I can basically just lock movement of everything. Like just lock in time, just pause, whatever, right? On start game, I can reset everything. And then on stop game, I can do kind of the inverse, right? So I'm happy with this pattern, with how I'm thinking about it. This needs to be moved, so I'll say to do... I'm fine moving the kill all because the kill all makes sense to move. In fact, I'm just gonna move it now. Let's see. Just gonna move you up. Yeah, kill all makes sense being moved there. And I'm just gonna rename this to like game over.emit. Game underscore over.emit. Am I not clear game over? Oh, shit, I should rename signal game over. As in the game is over. Okay, I guess I'm naming it stop game again. Stop underscore game. Stop. Stop underscore game. Okay. Yep. New game. I then also want to create an emit start underscore game. I need to start game dot emit. Sorry. Start underscore game dot emit. There we are. Yeah, okay, that makes sense to me. And I'm also gonna do like just like what do you call it? Like if input dot is underscore action underscore pressed pause then just do like pause underscore game dot emit. And I'm going to name it unpause instead of play because I want the direct connection being made there. Unpause for game. Because there is a correlation there. I'm going to instead make a call a function, which would be like unpause or something. That makes more sense to me. Unpause. And then this would be unpause dot underscore emit. Then I just want to call unpause. There we go. Yeah, okay, so that cleaned this up quite a bit. Is it at least playable? Not playable, but like close to. Oh, there's a lot of debugger. What's happening in the debugger? Pause does not exist. Okay, that's fun. Editor, scene, godot, setting, inputs. There, input. Oh, buffering, huh. So we don't want to do the buffering. We want to do stun shortcuts. Is it in project settings? Me thinks it is. So we'll move up, move down, move left, move right, quit. And then we'll add a pause. New action pause. Add. Pause will be tab. There we are. I guess P can also be pause. Oh, no, P. Okay. Yeah, pause makes sense as P. Close, I suppose. Yeah, so now if I rerun this, we should not see an absolute stream of errors happening. A stream of information, but not errors. Let's see. What's the debugger issues? Parent node is busy adding us removing children. Remove children cannot be called this time. Consider removing all for child instead. Okay. I know this was a shorter stream. However, I was busy with things today, so I apologize. I think this is a good start for the most part. I think this is going good. I'm gonna have to rework a bunch of that. I'll try to do some of it on my free time if I can. If not, then like that's just how life goes. Sorry. I don't see anything else. I think this new design pattern will work out, which is great. But it's also still gonna be a bit of a pain in the ass anyway, so that's gonna be thrilling either way. So, with that being said then, I'm gonna say thank you everybody who tuned in, said hello, swung by, and is watching. I wish you all the best. Thank you once again for swinging by. And hey, you know all the YouTube button things to do, and I'll catch you later. So oodly too, and see ya. Bye bye.